Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best deep cycle battery chargers on Amazon. Chargers work by slowly providing power to the old battery until you're able to successfully start the engine of the vehicle. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Schumacher Battery Charger. Where this deep cycle battery charger really matters is in its size. While it may be larger and heavier, this all adds to its power and charging capabilities. You get 2 features when using the Schumacher SC1281. A 30 amp quick boost charge or a 100 amp jump start impact to really get your battery back to its peak efficiency. It has a larger central screen with giant bold numbers to let you know where the recharging level is on your battery. The charger also comes with a multi-stage charging and an automatic voltage detection to save you time and get your battery running faster. It's also rather portable, coming with an easy-to-grip handle. However, while it may pack a punch with its size, that is also one of its downfalls. The charger weighs nearly 13 pounds, making it cumbersome to lug around. While the clamps have the opposite effect. They seem flimsy and small compared to the rugged shape of the container. Number 2. Towertop 12V Smart Battery Charger Maintainer. The Towertop Smart Battery Charger Maintainer charges 12-volt lead-acid batteries, including AM and gel batteries. It has an LCD screen with easy-to-read icons that display information such as charging status and battery status. It comes with a start aid feature that optimizes the battery in just 120 seconds, which is enough to start most cars. You can also use it on RVs, motorcycles, and lawnmowers. The device has a 7-step charging system: soft start, bulk charge, absorption, battery test, recondition, and floating. This prevents battery damage and overcharging. It also has several safety functions, including overvoltage, overheat, overtime charging, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection. The charger even extends battery life through its battery reconditioning feature. However, this device will not charge a completely dead battery. There have also been some complaints that the clamps aren't designed very well and it's a little pricey. Number 3. Schumacher Fully Automatic Battery Charger. The Schumacher Battery Charger and Maintainer is designed for boat, motorcycle, and power sport batteries. It has a 2A fully automatic charging and maintaining system, so your stored batteries stay powered up. The device also features a float mode and microprocessor-controlled multi-stage charging, which promotes safety and battery life. Other features include a quick disconnect harness, an LED indicator, and auto voltage detection, which distinguishes between 6 and 12-volt batteries. The Schumacher is DOE compliant and meets energy efficiency standards. It's small and lightweight enough to mount on the wall and is a cost-effective option that's easy to use. One problem with this unit is that it may stop working after a year of use. There have also been some complaints that the instructions are not very good. Another issue is the wire eyelets are a little small for some screw post diameters. Number 4. Adpo 5A12V Automatic Smart Battery Charger Automotive Maintainer. The Adpo battery charger and maintainer features a 7-stage charging system: desulfation, soft start, bulk charge, absorption, test mode, recondition, and float. It's designed for use with cars, boats, RVs, lawnmowers, etc. It can fully charge drained sealed lead-acid batteries and has an LED indicator that displays battery capacity and other useful information. The charger is small, lightweight, and portable with water and dust-resistant properties, so you can use it in a variety of places. Overall, it has high-quality components with good fit and finishes. The quick-release connectors are handy, and it comes with terminal cleaners, which are a bonus feature. It also doesn't get too warm during use. One issue is that the writing on the device is a little small and can be hard to read. The instructions aren't the best, and it may take a longer time to charge a battery compared to rival devices. Number 5. Battery Tender Junior 6 volts. The Battery Tender Junior is a 6-volt battery charger and maintainer that works on lead-acid batteries, including AM and gel batteries, in ATVs, passenger cars, motorcycles, boats, and lawnmowers. It features smart charger technology with 4-step charging, initialization, bulk charge, absorption mode, and float maintenance mode. One of the device's top features is a quick disconnect harness. It also has reversed hookup protection to ensure it's connected properly before it outputs any power, and the unit is spark-proof for safety. It automatically defaults to float maintenance mode when the battery is completely charged, and it comes with a 5-year warranty, which is longer than what most of its competitors provide. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.